Hey there.
Hi,
What's your name and call sign?
name is Mike. Call sign is Whiskey 7, Yankee Whiskey Foxtrot.
And what are you working on?
I'm wrapping a toroid right now for a QRP rig by QRP Labs, and it's the QMX radio. It's a 6-band QRP radio to sideband and CW and Digimodes.
Hey, can you show me the board in the box?
Sure. There's the board that we're currently working on.
And the enclosure.
Oh, the enclosure is right here. This is all the bigger the radio is going to be when it's done.
That's nice. Nice and
Comes with
compact.
complete instructions, pictures, and outline diagrams with the colors that you're working on the board itself. So as long as you can read instructions and solder a little bit, hopefully I'll get this running.
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. Thanks a lot.
Uh-huh.